Well, hello, Funkaclaw here, and I'm founder of Nerd. If you have been following ShidoKid, you are probably aware that I've been building tools on Shido network for a while. What brings me here today is somehow related to the tools I built and their adoption by a new Shido project. Nerd is much more than a meme. We are frontline testers, bug hunters, and community helpers. We will use and test the tools that were built on Shido and try to push them over their limits so that the whole ecosystem gets stronger. And that's precisely what I will be doing today. I will be recording the whole flow of creating Nerd mem token presale on Shido network through ShidoKid Factory. And my question is, are you ready? Let's get straight into it. It's very easy. I went to shidokid.com, then factory, launchpad factory right here, and create new launchpad. We are going to pay with the RC20, and we are going to use type v1.1.0, which is the same as v1.00 plus whitelist controls that are configured after deploy. Here you can see the fee, the price for the service fee for using this factory to deploy your presale, and let's go with this type. Here I'm gonna copy paste the info directly into the form. It's loading the token, the supply, decimal, symbol, name, everything. The presale rate is same as previous, 25 nerd per 1 wrap Shido. Tokens for sale, we will need a memory refresher, voucher code. I don't think this one has ever been used, so let's try and see if we can get that 50% discount. Launchpad label, Nerd, whitelisted presale. Soft cap 10%, and max per wallet it's gonna be 1 million wrap Shido. Minimum buy amount, there won't be any. After confirming that all inputs are correct, I'm gonna click the deploy launchpad button. I've previously approved the Shido token for this transaction, and launchpad was created. So after this first step, your whitelisted presale, or in this case Nerd whitelisted presale, was created. Let's check it out. You see a signal here on top. The presale is not yet configured, and below says this implementation supports whitelist. After setup you can enable it and add wallets in the admin panel. So here is the presale setup. Before our presale can go live, we have to define the final settings for it, and this is also an important process. Let's define the start time, which is no more no less than tomorrow 1 p.m. British summer time, and it's done. That's it. Duration 8 days. Presale name Nerd whitelisted presale. We'll keep the same as the label. For the description I have a text prepared. Let's paste it here. Telegram link. That's it. No more, no less. I could select this if I wanted to burn unsold tokens, but since Nerd Team has some different plans for those, I will leave it like this. And this is the last step before presale can go live. So let's move forward with it. Here it is asking us to increase the spending cap for the Nerd token so that we can transfer this amount, which is precisely what is up for sale on this presale. First and foremost, we will accept that. It's done. And now we signed the last transaction for this presale setup. And our presale is configured. So as a creator of this presale, when I'm logged into it, I will see this sort of checklist. Whitelist is disabled. If the sale requires whitelist, enable it now to avoid non-whitelisted buys at T0. What does this mean? Is that by default, none of these presales, even in version 1.1, will be automatically set up for whitelist. But you can do it. It's very, very simple, and ideally you should do it before the start of the presale, if that makes sense, or else you are allowing for non-whitelisted users to buy right before you set up the whitelist. So be mindful of this. And to enable whitelist is pretty easy. You click there, method set whitelisted enable, you confirm, and it's done. And you have option to whitelist a single wallet, or you can whitelist in batch, which is what we're gonna do. And for this we have a list ready, so let's copy and paste it right here and click OK. You can see the method set whitelist batch, the fee, and then the parameters. So let's confirm this, and this is the result. That's it. Nerd presale deployed. Short and simple. If you want the full walkthrough, check ShidoKid tutorial. It's the same foundation. But what makes today special is that we are showing everyone how Nerd did it. We are building in public, testing in public, and showing how Shido tools can be pushed further. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the Nerdverse.